Good afternoon to the clinical community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Guys, how has been our day? We thank God and we bless God for the grace given to every one of us to have a good and a fulfilled day. I'm talking on the topic I called Pay the Price. Pay the price. The story says, bring me your seed and I will meet your needs. Bring me your seed and I will meet your needs. Every accomplishment that you desire to achieve in life has its own price tag. Nothing comes free. The value of the success usually determines the price to be paid. It is funny sometimes that we all want the achievement with no intention to pay any price. Friends, if you are not willing and ready to pay the price, just forget about this success altogether. You cannot win the battle you never fought. When you attempt to gain the value without paying the price, you will end up paying even more. Yeah, even more. Each effort you make to get something for nothing will always put you even farther behind. The path of no sweat is the path of no sweat. Even the snail does not make progress until it sticks out its neck. Guys, I want you to reflect on the success you desire today. Can you see the price tag attached to it? If you look critically on the screen, this it is the logo of our uh, token coming out very soon. Our token coming out very soon. It is a third party program. It is a partnership program. Guys, it will be a public token. And you know what that means? It means it will attract a lot of people, a lot of traders who will be willing to trade. This is a token that you can swap, you can change, you can trade, and this is what we'll be using to pay our program fee henceforth, guys. And from the blog and from what we had admin said, the number and the quantity of the coins this token that you'll be giving is determined by the number of the TBC coins that you have. So did you picture yourself having much of this public token that can give you fast and quick liquidity tomorrow? Did you picture it? So what are you working towards achieving this? There's no other than to be a member of the core team. Pay the price. Every one of us in core team, we pay our program fee continuously, regularly, monthly. Those some of us has already paid an annual fee. So guys, you need to count the cost. And are you able to pay? Of course, you will be able to pay if it is so important and dear to you for you to achieve. Many of us that believes in the vision of TBC, we go all out to achieve it. What you hold back will finally hold you back. Instead, I urge you be generous with your enthusiasm and your passion and your effort today. When you give life what it takes, you will be able to get what it gives in return. So by tomorrow, by the time everyone who is paying the price today of acquiring more coins, of being the cutting, by tomorrow, when you see everyone in affluence and in wealth because of the quantity of our TBC coins and also the Binance token coins, don't say what is happening. Don't ask questions. You should know that yes, indeed, these are people who have paid the price. So today, I urge you, make a list of all that you need to do to attain the height and the dreams you had, you are having, and the dreams that you will still have. Don't concur to take part in the least resistance. Imagine the excitement, the thrills, and the merriment that will come along with your success when you achieve it. And that has been our driving force. Very soon, this year, we are getting to the end of our distribution. Then comes the full economic blow of our TBC. Moreover, the sooner you pay the price, the lower the price will be, and the more the benefit you will receive in return. So, guys, just two words for us today: separate you from your goals. Just two words from your goals. That is the price. So, pay the price. Pay the price and achieve the success. Thank you. I want you to like this broadcast, subscribe to it for subsequent one, and share to other ones. Thank you. Don't forget, pay the price for a better tomorrow.